Live trade breakdown. This entry was clean and the exit was even cleaner. I'm Original L. This is Original Beginnings, where I'm documenting my investing journey. We are live. Um, I got definitely got. I'm waking up to a huge opening range gap, so I want to see this. It's a discount gap, so I want to see just this 0.25 get hit. Since it's a 300 freaking point opening range gap, I want to see this get hit. I'm not saying the whole thing's gonna get filled, but I definitely don't want to see shorts coming into this morning. I also said that this new week opening gap right here was my target for the week, and I had it getting hit. So I was accurate on that. But question is, am I going to get an entry? Of course, paper trading. We'll do 1 minute for yes. Okay. I'm anticipating it hit during the 9:50 to 10:10 macro though. So I'm gonna just let price do what it do. Yeah, moving a little slow right now. I ain't tripping off this like slow PA because I'm waiting for 9:50 to 10:10 macro. Also, bro, previous day, like we created these good relative equal highs. I'm not saying it's gonna get hit today, but I'm saying that's a good target. Wonder if, since we created these, let me go to ETH real quick. So since we hit this newly opening gap, before we hit it, we created these relative highs. Is this gonna set up a buy model or not? Who knows? But yeah, those are good relative equal highs up there that I like to see. I got created on the 1 hour chart. We're gonna get this inverse right here. Or not. Let me go back to regular trade hours to make my chart look a little more clear. Imagine this. Imagine this. Dang, 56 points time. Hell no. This will be the second candle. Stop loss under the second candle. Bye. Bye bye. Are we gonna go to it that quick though? We might just run. We might just run to it. Who knows? This would be a good entry right here. Might just run to it. Future right here. Huge ass stop loss. Come back down to this order block. Message to the world if they let you. This thing might just run. Or we might get a tap back into this during the macro. Who knows? I definitely want to see a tap back into it. Definitely want to see this get hit. Definitely want to see this get hit. Okay. I got a message to the world of that list. Let's see. So 740 was the opening price. That's a good little order buy right there. You might just run though. If it's gonna run without me, it is what it is, bro. Man. Imagine it. Imagine it. Is that the right green? No change to green. Imagine it. Imagine. Let me see something. There we go. Zoom in. 83.75. This is hypothetically speaking. 837. Then you always want to push your there you go. You always want to push your stop loss. Like if it's truly bullish, say if this is initial entry, right? Not saying I'm getting this, right? Where's the second? This is the fair value. You always want to have your stop loss. I don't have my stop loss under here. Second candle in the fair value gap that created the fair value gap. Slow. Black. This would be the perfect scenario for me.
Order filled.
Oh, snap. Let's see if it's going to play out, though. If this big huge fair value gap is truly bullish, right? This one right here, if this one's truly bullish, I initially don't want to see any tap into this fair value right here. And if it does tap into it, I don't want to see any. I want to see it come below the consequent encouragement that is fair value gap. So yeah, and definitely during the 950 to 1010 macro, I want to see that 0.25 level of this quadrant level get hit. I don't got the whole thing getting hit. If it does, it does. But since this was like a 380 point gap up, I don't want to see, you know, see the whole thing, you know, 28. Imagine it. It's all love. I said it's all love. It's all love. I said it's all love. It's all love. Let's see if it do what it do. See if this 950 to 1010 macro does. Oh man. It's currently 950. Yes, doing what it do. Hope everybody's day is going well. I hope y'all having a blessed morning. You know. Well. If you don't know, I trade ICT concepts. His name is the Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. He clocked this model. Look at that macro do what it do. Dun, 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 dun. Imagine it. Imagine it. Green tea for the win, Tom. For right now, this is a good low resistance liquidity run. Like, this is what I initially like to see. It would be perfect if we don't fill this gap, we don't even touch it, that'd be good. But say if we do touch this gap, I want to see it go below here. But it look like it ain't gonna hit for that even happens, you feel me? Yeah. 3 more away. 2 more. Push above there. Get up out there. Get it to me. Come on, man. Stop playing. Stop playing my emotions like that. What the? What going on? Did it touch it? I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. It did. It's not gonna, is it gonna fill my paper trade?
Order filled.
There you go. Now, that was a good paper trade, good execution. If you keep running, it is what it is. But since this was a huge opening range discount gap, as you can see, I ain't going for nothing. I ain't going risking it to go all the way up here. If it does, that's good. Like, that's absolutely good. For me, cool little paper trade, you know. Yeah, this was so A plus. I'm glad I got in on. Old me would wait for like a comeback into this fair value gap right here, but when I see it's coming down and I see this order block right here, this was a good A plus looking paper trade. Now it could go to the halfway point, but it's like if you get, like, say, where's my stop loss? My stop loss is down here, right under this, because when you get this fair value gap, right, you always want your stop loss to be under the second candle. Because especially I didn't want to be down here because it would have been 100-point plus stop loss. But yeah, I see this fair value right here. I was like, I don't want it to go to this low, but this fair value gap, the open price of it, initially should have been right here. I ain't gonna lie, but I was like, I'm gonna give it a little room, you know. But yeah, what did I see that was so A plus to me? This is the first presented fair value gap. We inversed it. We got this order block. I want to say it tapped into this order block, and we did. I didn't, I can't wait for this fair value gap to get hit because we really don't want to even see the fair value gap get tapped into if generally bullish and generally want our target to get hit. And this was a good low resistance liquidity when we see when we tapped into here, we didn't have no stops and like no just sitting inside fair value gaps or anything like that. So this was a wonderful A plus paper trade. Why did I want to see this get hit, and why did I want higher prices coming into the morning before this even happened? I seen that currently, I got it on my calculator still. It's currently at 383.25, like 383.25 points opening range discount gap right into this new week opening gap right here. So after this, retail people that like to gamble, and most people that don't know what they're doing, they're like, oh, the market just fell so much down. Let's chase it, keep going, go further and further and further down. And retail's like, oh man, it's so down so much, we're gonna get in shorts, we're gonna get in puts for the options traders. No, when we see stuff like this, it's a discount gap, and I don't want to see it go any further down. When I wake up and I see this, I'm automatically bullish. Now, I'm not going to force so long. If I don't see my trade, I don't see my trade. But yeah, when I saw a trade, I saw a good entry, and yeah, I paper traded it, of course, to here. Now, why do you, original? Why not, man? You want longs. Why not hold it till the full thing is filled? No, no, I'm not doing that. Why not hold it to the half mark? No, I'm good. If you guys want to do that, go ahead. Not me. Because me from watching the Inner Circle Trader video about these concepts, when it's a huge gap like this, I only want to see the 0.25 get traded to. And that's what happened. Good execution and good trade. It's not even 10 o'clock at Eastern Standard Time, and I'm off the charts.